please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Fire Friday, April 5th. And in today's video, I have two plays for you. Before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow dropped 1.3% yesterday at 38,596. Dow back below 39K. The markets were spooked after the Fed speech. The Nasdaq, they dropped 1.5% at 16,049. The Nas. Tesla bucking the trend. Tesla rose 1.62% on the day to settle at 171.11. Apple dropped 0.5% at $168.82. Apple. The big winner yesterday was CADL. The stock rose 281% on the day to settle at 640 on positive phase 2 trial. The volume yesterday, 132 million shares exchanged hands, compare and contrast to their average volume of a measly 60K CADL. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go, one end to move, do not overstay, you're welcome. HUBC is up 29% at $1.35 thus far in the pre-markets. The higher day, 166. If this one retracts below $1.26 today, this might be a no-go. The stock rose 44% yesterday on financing news, so watch for continuation today. HUBC. This one is spikeable. For example, December 1st, the stock went from 2.25 all the way to 450 on a volume of 7 million shares exchanged hands that day. In conjunction to that, October 9th, the stock went from 220 all the way to $8. $2.20 all the way to $8 in one trading day. The volume was 28 million shares exchanged hands that day. Let's get the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Rather you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 10 million. They have a low float of 4 million. 25% of the float are held by insiders. 9% of the float are held by institution, and Choice has 4% of the float. HUBC. 50-day moving average is $1.26. They have 73 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 8.18. A total cash of $3 million and a total debt of a whopping $28 million. They have to work on their long-term debt here. Their current ratio is sitting below par. This one is on the verge of bankruptcy. This current ratio is way below par. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. A current ratio measures the short-term debt of the company. However, their leverage free cash flow is a positive $5 million. This one is cash flow positive, HUBC. Please put on stock today, MDIA. The stock is up 92% in the pre-markets. Currently trading at $269 at the recording of this video. The higher day, a whopping $4.59, the high in the day. The company came out with mergers and acquisitions news. Go ahead and read the news on your own time, your own term. Please go to my April 1st video for the numbers on MDIA. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam, make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and upside, take care of yourself. Trade well, have a nice weekend, and I'll see you when I see you. All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. On Thursday, 32 million shares exchange hands, compare and contrast to their average volume of 400k AVTX. Dave's play today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one and the move. Do not overstay your welcome. MDIA. The stock is up 89% thus far in the pre-markets, trading at 98 cents at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets, $1.10. If this one retraces below 66 cents, this might be a no-go today. MDIA has spikeability. For example, January 2nd, the stock went from 41 cents all the way to 91 cents on a volume of 2.4 million shares exchanged hands that day. No news out today, we just riding price action. This one is in the broadcasting space and their headquarters out of New York City. Let's kick the tires.